What is the process of SoundCloud email lookup, and how can I find someone's SoundCloud account?
Hello, and welcome to this video where we will explore how to locate someone's SoundCloud account. For privacy reasons, SoundCloud doesn't provide a direct email lookup feature. However, we will cover some steps to help you find someone on this platform using other details.
What is SoundCloud?
SoundCloud is an online audio distribution platform that allows users to upload, record, promote, and share their original sounds. With millions of users worldwide, sometimes you might find it a bit challenging to locate a specific person. This guide will help you navigate that process.
Can you use email for SoundCloud lookup?
This is a common question. The direct answer is no, you cannot use an email to find someone's SoundCloud account. SoundCloud, like many other platforms, respects user privacy and does not allow email lookup. Your best bet is to search by the user's name or their SoundCloud username, if you know it.
How to find someone on SoundCloud?
Follow these steps to find a user on SoundCloud. 1. Visit SoundCloud. Navigate to the SoundCloud platform. 2. Use the search bar. In the upper right corner, there's a search bar. Here, you can enter the name or username of the person you're looking for. 3. Browse through the results. SoundCloud will provide a list of results that match your search. You'll need to browse through these to find the person you're looking for. Remember, the more accurate the name or username you enter, the better your results will be.
What if I can't find the person?
If you're having trouble locating someone on SoundCloud, there might be a few reasons. The person has a common name, and there are many results. In this case, try adding additional details, like their location if you know it, to narrow the search. The person may use a different name or pseudonym on SoundCloud. If possible, ask them for their specific SoundCloud username. The person's profile may be private. In this case, they need to provide you with a direct link to their SoundCloud profile. While SoundCloud does not offer an email lookup feature, it is still possible to find someone's account using their name or username. Remember, though, privacy is crucial, and it's always good to respect the privacy of others. We hope you found this guide helpful in your SoundCloud search. Happy listening!